It's an art event like never before in the West. Students at the Herbert Morrison Technical High School in St. James were encouraged to submit their creations for the school's inaugural Black History Month Sip and See Art Extravaganza. Welcome to this week's edition of the Arts Page. When we return, we watch as patrons and students come together to sip and see the artworks on display.
We thought that it would be an excellent idea to give the talented students here at Herbert Morrison another opportunity to add value to their learning. We are very big on giving our students various experiences in their learning.
Students of all grades and clubs were given 4 weeks to craft a masterpiece under the theme, Wake Up, Break the Chains.
Is it managing your time? Is it a bad memory? Is it a family legacy? Whatever that chain is, we are encouraging our students to break out of that chain, experience your full potential, excel to the best that you can be.
And the students were indeed eager to interpret the theme through paintings, drawings, graphics, and ceramics.
Today we have on show our students, not only from the art department, but our history students, or sociology students, or lower school students. All of our students really have been really excited about an event like this.
We, the Engineering Club, as young black males, are trying to break the chain of unproductivity by expressing ourselves through art and technology. This is the Edge lamp. It is mainly made up of two components: the acrylic, which the artwork or whichever designs you want are displayed upon, and the base, which is made up of wood or plastic, and it houses the LED light strip, which projects the light within the acrylic and displays the artwork.
This piece was done because it tells how black people rise from whatever they are going through. The background symbolizes the hardship and struggle we face. And in the middle, it has a lady that is painted in a sunrise dress. This symbolizes how we rise and how we shine in whatever darkness we are in.
I've decided to use this piece based on the history of what a colored woman is. In the past age, where a colored woman was inferior, she was ridiculed, she was mentally, physically, and emotionally abused. So I decided to flip that idea, or inverse that idea, and display a lady with colors within her face that signifies vibrance, being outstanding.
At the foreground of the art piece, you see a black woman with an afro and holding a chain. So, with the name of my art piece, which is Breaking News, it alludes to the theme, Wake Up, Break the Chains. So, essentially, it shows a black woman breaking the chains. And in the background, you see different news articles. And within the background, you see specific messages that shows the issues that we are faced with in our society nowadays. And the messages telling Jamaicans how to break these chains, about things that affect them.
The man being beaten is breaking his chains. As you can see, right in between him, he's breaking his chains. While he's getting beaten, the blood is being splattered all over his body to represent the hard times that black people has been through. And the shadow that's underneath his face is represent that his head has been lifted up and he's waking up and realizing that he cannot live his life like this anymore.
In addition to explaining their work, some of the art creators were also kind enough to share with us the meticulous steps they took to achieve such artistry.
It's entitled Many Faces. It's about, or it shows how we see ourselves, or how we as black people, and as I emphasize, the black woman see ourselves, see society, see everything around us in general. The first thing I kind of did was the galaxy which isn't really hard. It's really sponge painting. And after sponge painting the colors, which I used, which were blues and some purples and black and white, I created this galaxy look. At the end, for the stars, I used a paintbrush and I kind of flashed it on there. For the drawing now, it's a mixture of charcoal and pencil, but really like 8B pencils and charcoal generally.
After a fulfilling and enlightening event, all the art creators were commended and awarded for their creativity and hard work.
I love to see that we are now allowing our students to get involved in our culture, to see how attached they are to the culture of Jamaica through art.
This event just goes to show how diverse Herbert Morrison Technical High School is and how talented our students are. It is an excellent gesture. Given the nature of the school, I think it is a beautiful event, and if it is possible, it should be annual.